Say hi to me first and say hi to your friends.
Hi, welcome to Jaicee&James. Canada. Today we're going to open this excavator, and we have one more surprise to open. Mine.
Okay, come here, James. Are you ready? You want to open, Jace? James, come here. Okay, later. We open yours first. Okay, Ate will help opening it, okay?
4 years old. No,
Yeah. Okay, I'll do it for you then.
Open it.
Okay, move back. Oh no, it's too hard to open. Ay. This needs a muzzle.
Oh, cause they're all tape.
Yeah. There, James, look. Hey, one more tape.
Okay.
Did you just kick it?
Let's kick it up there.
Alright, so this is a cat construction machines.
Cat?
Okay, let me see, James. What you got?
Dumptruck.
So you get a dump truck. It's so cute.
No, we want to hold them.
Okay, wait muna. Okay, show it to your friends first. So you get a dump truck.
We can have a fight.
Oh, a fight.
Over here.
Oh no.
Who's ready for the fight? Raise your hand. Mitchell.
Okay, the mixer. Can I borrow the dump truck? Let me see the dump truck.
Can roll the fight is starting. Ready, steady, go. I salvaged this train.
Okay, so James got the dump truck. What's the other one, James? Can I see the other one? That one is a dump truck.
Wait.
Well, let me see. I show it to your friends.
I can show this.
Oh,
Mom.
it's durable, eh?
No. Wait, I want to see what they did.
James, it's okay.
I just want the bone one. I want the bone one. Yes. The fight? Ready.
Fight?
Yeah.
Oh, whoa, with the train?
Yeah.
With the mixer.
I know. James cheating. He's using some powers.
All right, James. Okay, so it goes with...
No.
Let me see. I want to see the name, please.
Yes.
What do you call? Is this the Swatter?
Yes. Shuttle.
I'm not really sure.
Mama. Mitchell.
Yes.
What's the bandy box? I want it, kind of.
The cabinet. Just go get by yourself.
Dump truck. Where is the
Dump.
cabinet?
JC, just
Dump truck.
dump truck. Wee. This is water.
Yeah. Crackle.
Finish? Come, bring them here. They need to go drive this way, this road. Broom. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep. Oh, watch out. Watch out.
Use put it right here.
Oh, he used the road. Oh, and this one's coming. Oh, the mixer is backing up. He's driving reverse. Come on. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep. With the mixer. James doesn't want to fight, okay?
This looks like a fight.
Who's driving? Ooh, the wheels are so good, James. This is better than your other toy, baby. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep.
steady, go, fight.
Oh, be careful. Is that fighting? Oh, this one is so busy. Beep, 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 wee.
Shame on. Now for the next call. Are you ready for the
Oh, it goes itself, James. Do you like that toys?
Yeah.
Where did you get those toys, James? From?
Walmart.
From Walmart?
Yeah.
How much did you pay? How much was it?
Next one is the dinosaur. Wow.
$5?
Yeah, $5. Next one
Oh,
is the
just
dinosaur.
$5? Not bad.
Let's go. Yeah.